The mysterious sounds of Saturn. Captured by Cassini. NASA's Cassini spacecraft recorded these sounds during its mission from 2004 to 2017. Electromagnetic waves. Many of the noises come from Saturn's magnetic field interacting with solar wind. Whistling sounds. Some frequencies resemble whistling or hissing noises, bizarre vibrations. The radio emissions are so strange that scientists sometimes call them space music. Rings influence. Saturn's rings contribute to some of the electromagnetic signals. Auroras on Saturn. Similar to Earth's auroras, Saturn's northern and southern lights emit radio waves. Not audible to humans. These sounds were converted into audio we can hear. Otherwise, they are electromagnetic signals. Cassini's grand finale. During its final dive into Saturn, Cassini captured the most mysterious signals. Still unexplained. Even after decades of study, some signals have no clear scientific explanation. Inspiration for science fiction. These eerie sounds